going on, everybody? Out here for a cruise on the skate. Thank you for 200 subscribers. Let's go for a little cruise and cook something. Yoo! I think this will do nicely. Let's get set up and make something tasty. What is going on, everybody? Thanks for coming out with me on this beautiful afternoon here. I just got off work and thought I'd check my YouTube account, and lo and behold, 200 subscribers. So I rallied and I was like, I gotta get out and make a little cooking video and say thank you. So today's video is all about you guys, the subscribers. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed to my channel. Whether this is the first video of mine that you've watched or you've been with the channel for a minute, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my content and engage with what I'm doing, and all the people that leave comments and likes. You guys are awesome, and it's one of the reasons I've been so inspired to keep my channel going and keep producing cool content and keep having fun out here. So thank you. Thank you very much. Like I said in my 100 subscriber video, this is still just the beginning, and I have no plans on stopping my channel. I'm going to continue to produce content. I'm going to continue to get out on hikes. I'm going to keep reviewing gear. If there's stuff you guys want to see, please let me know. If there's videos you want me to make or gear you want me to review, let me know. I'd honestly love to have your feedback and give me some direction on videos that you want to see from my channel. As for today's video, I wanted to come out and make one of my favorite dishes, and that is crab rangoons. So let's get the pack unpacked here, and let's get the stove set up, and let's make some rangoons. Okay, all my ingredients laid out here on the little switchblade table. I've got my lump crab meat, I've got some cream cheese, I've got some thinly sliced green onion. Got my sweet chili sauce. I've got a mixture of soy sauce, ponzu, and sesame oil. And I've got a little spice container here of some togarashi, which is like a Japanese 7-pepper blend, some garlic, salt, and pepper. So let's get these wonton skins laid out. Let's mix up my crab here. I got a bowl and a couple gloves to make that happen. And we'll get our Rangoon on here. We are losing a little bit of sunlight here, but this is just a beautiful sunset that we're getting, so loving it out here. Oh yeah, those look good. Let's get that sweet chili sauce out, baby. Let's dive on in. Oh yeah, crushed it. Damn, those were good. Wow. Hell yeah. I am a sucker for a good crab rangoon. I appreciate you joining me for this episode. Thank you again for 200 subscribers. I'm super thankful for the growth of my channel, and I'm excited to see where it goes in the future. So if you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel and come along for the journey. Well, I think that's just about gonna do it for me here. I'm gonna get packed up. We're losing light here and it is gonna be dark. Good thing I got some lights on the board, so let's get packed up here and cruise on home. Once again, thank you. Thank you for everything. Until next time, I'll catch you out there. See you later, guys. You all ready for this? Oh man, how sick is that? So this is what you see in the rear. Underglow all around. And then these bright ass lights up front.